are from Mechanical Engineering Department, Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah. This video will explain about the 4 jaw chart topic from DJJ20042 Mechanical Workshop Practice 2. Personal Protective Equipment and Safety Procedures. These are the personal protective equipment PPE for both gender, which are goggles, safety work jacket, pants, and safety boots. No jewelries and accessories allowed. 3 jaw chuck and 4 jaw chuck introduction. This is a 3 jaw chuck. It is also called the universal jaw chuck. It is used to hold a cylinder-shaped workpiece. This is a 4 jaw chuck. It is also called the independent chuck. It is used to hold square, hexagonal, and irregular shaped workpiece. Chuck replacement process. This is how we replace a 3 jaw chuck to a 4 jaw chuck. Step 1. Make sure the machine is in the free mode gear. Step 2. Put a wood board on the rail to protect the bag from damage if the chuck accidentally dropped. Step 3. Using the chuck key, loosen the jaw by making sure the witness mark on the chuck and the keyhole are aligned and parallel. The sequence of loosening the jaw must be opposite keyholes, which are keyhole 1 with keyhole 4. Keyhole 2 with keyhole 5. And keyhole 3 with keyhole 6. Step 4. Pull out the 3 jaw chuck. Step 5. Insert the 4 jaw chuck. Step 6. By using the chuck key, tighten each jaw using the same procedure and sequence as loosening the 3 jaw chuck, but make sure the witness mark on the chuck and the keyhole are not aligned. Setting process of a 4 jaw chuck. By using the surface gauge, align all the jaw to the center of the chuck, while the workpiece inserted into the jaw. Tighten the jaw one by one with an opposing sequence. Thank you for watching the video. Mechanical Engineering Department, Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah.